of non-profit organization. This is the question number 2 of non-profit organization, and I am here to give solution of question number 2 of NCERT books. I am in this video and the later video we try to provide the solution of all NCERT question. So let's start. Question number 2 of first chapter of class 12th non-profit organization. In question number 2, this is the balance BD, cash at bank, cash in hand, donations. This is the question is given, and we have to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended March 31st, 2015 after considering the following. Liabilities to be provided for are rent rupees 800, salary rupees 1200, advertisement rupees 200, rupees 2000 due for interest on investment was not actually received. So in this question, this is the receipt and payment account, and with the help of receipt and payment account we have to prepare income and expenditure account. And what is our year ending? March 31st 2015. एक मेन फीचर होता है, there is one main feature of income and expenditure account. In this feature we record only current year's transaction and exclude past year as well as future year transaction. Okay, so what is the way to solve this question? It's very easy way. First of all, we start from here adjustment. Liabilities to be provided, रेंट रुपीज 800, मतलब इस टू बी प्रोवाइडेड मतलब फ्यूचर में हमें प्रोवाइड करना है. दिस इज आवर आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट. रेंट है, इट मीन्स दिस इज आवर एक्सपेंसेस, तो इट विल बी शोन ऑन एक्सपेंडिचर साइड. सो इन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड वी हैव टू try to solve the question, as well as in next slide there is a solution. So look here, this is the to rent and taxes. How much amount? 4000 plus outstanding rate 800, overall 4800. Clear? हाँ तो दोस्तों यूज करते हैं हाईलाइटर का. फर्स्ट ना रेंट रुपीज 800 ना, तो दिस इज आवर आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट. दिस इज एक्सपेंसेस, तो इट विल बी शोन ऑन एक्सपेंडिचर साइड ऑफ income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2020. हम ये कहाँ शो करेंगे? इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट की विच साइड? एक्सपेंडिचर साइड. तो सबसे पहले वी राइट हियर टू रेंट एंड टैक्सेस हाउ मच अमाउंट? 4000 प्लस आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट 800, सो ओवरऑल 4800. क्लियर? नाउ सेकंड इज सैलरीज रुपीज 1200. This is also outstanding. Salary is a expenditure, so it will be shown in expenditure side of income and expenditure account. So here we write salaries 10,400 plus outstanding salaries 1200, overall 11,600. Clear? Okay, next. What is our advertisement rupees? 200 na. So here look here, advertisement is here 1100 plus 200 your outstanding. तो आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस क्या होते हैं? इट शुड बी ऐड, ये क्या हो जाते हैं? प्लस हो जाते हैं. सो हियर एडवर्टाइजमेंट टू एडवर्टाइजमेंट अकाउंट 1100 प्लस आउटस्टैंडिंग एडवर्टाइजमेंट 200, ओवरऑल 1300. क्लियर? ओके, नेक्स्ट चलते हैं. रुपीज 2000 ड्यू फॉर इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट वाज नॉट एक्चुअली received. What is the meaning of rupees 2000 due for interest on investment? इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? इसका मीनिंग होता है कि एक ऐसी इनकम विच इज अर्न बट नॉट रिसीव्ड. ठीक है, जो हमने कमा तो ली है बट हमें अभी तक रिसीव्ड नहीं हुई है, तो इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एक्रूड इनकम. और दिस इज द इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, दिस इज द एक्रूड interest on investment. So this is our income, so it will be shown on which side? Income side of income and expenditure account. So here by interest on investment 3800, it will be taken from here. This is the interest on investment 3800 plus 2000 should be add. So 2000 should be add, accrued interest total is 5800. So our adjustment is done. यहाँ हमारी क्या हो गई है, सारी एडजस्टमेंट हो गई है. अब स्टार्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ दिस रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट. First, balance BD, cash at bank, cash in hand. These will be shown on balance sheet, not income and expenditure account. Here, donation है. How much amount? 16,000 है. This is your, it's just like a income, so it will be shown on income side. Now, by donation, how much amount? 16,000. डोंट टेक बी टेंशन, ये जो टर्म्स हैं इट शुड बी अप एंड डाउन, ये ऊपर नीचे हो सकती हैं. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट इज सब्सक्रिप्शन. हाउ मच अमाउंट? 15,200. इट शुड आल्सो बी इनकम. ये भी क्या है आपकी इनकम है ना, सो इट शुड बी शोड ऑन इनकम साइड. ठीक है, बाय सब्सक्रिप्शन अकाउंट 50,200. नेक्स्ट इज endowment fund, legacy. This is the just like a liability, it should be shown on liability side. Interest on deposit, it is also income. How much amount? 800. So it will be shown on which side? Income side. By interest on deposit, how much amount? 800. Next is next, sale of old newspaper. ठीक है, this is also income. तो which side? It will be shown on income side ना, by sale of old newspaper. Okay. Next, donation for building, legacy for building. Donation for building and legacy for building, it is just like a liabilities for the organization, so it will be shown on the liability side of the organization. One more thing is legacies, legacy, and here is legacy for building. There is a common difference. This legacy is for building, so it should be gone on, it is like a capital receipt, so it should be gone on balance sheet. But this legacy, it should just like treat it as a income. इसको हमने क्या मान लिया? इनकम मान लिया. तो ये कहाँ चली गई? आपके इनकम साइड में ना, बाय लीगेसी अकाउंट. हाउ मच अमाउंट? 12,000. ठीक है, ओके. तो रिसिप्ट इज कंप्लीट. नाउ गो टू पेमेंट साइड. Furniture, this is assets, it will be shown on asset side. Investment, it also asset side. Advance for building, liability side. Next, charities, this is the expenses, so it will be shown on expenditure side. Here, to charities account, how much amount? 6,000. Next is salaries, it already be done. Rent and taxes already done. Printing, how much amount? 1,000. Postage, how much amount? 300. This is our payment na, limit means this is our expenditure, so it will be shown on which side? Expenditure side. In the same way, insurance, how much amount? 4,800. This is also our expenditure. So these three terms, printing, postage and insurance, it will be shown on debit side of income and expenditure account, means expenditure side. To printing, to postage, to insurance. और इसके बाद क्या करते हैं हम? इसका टोटल करते हैं. So after balancing these account, we get to excess of income over expenditure. How much amount? 1,500. Or what is the another name of excess of income over expenditure account? This is your surplus. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? सरप्लस बोलते हैं. बट इफ वी हैव ए बैलेंस ऑन दैट साइड, अगर बैलेंस इस साइड होता है तो हम क्या बोलेंगे उसको? डेफिशिएंसी, या इसका reverse to axis of expenditure over income. I hope you understand this question. So thank you for watching this video.